Hi everybody, Victor here. Today, I'll be summarizing on the key factors for all the circuit courses and general driving on the road. Please watch the whole video till the end so you will not miss any important information or tips along the way. So let's get started. I will start off with vertical and parallel parking inside the circuit.
Vertical and parallel parking, what are the key factors? Firstly, the positioning of the car, for vertical parking. The positioning of the car for parallel parking. Followed by slow speed control while reversing. Make sure you're looking and turning at the correct turning points. Before turning out of the lot, ensure the positioning of your car. In term of car is closer to either side or in the middle of the lot. This is to prepare yourself to do correction, if needed, before turning out of the lot. Left or right turn. No correction. Turning left. No correction. Turning left. Need to do correction. Turning right. No correction. Turning right. Need to do correction. Same goes to the positioning of the car, for parallel parking. Last reminder. Do not forget to turn on signal and safety check during the parking. Key factor for the slope, do not turn into the wrong lane. For manual car student, do not forget to change to gear 1, after stopping before the yellow line. Remember to stop your car completely, before the stop line. Especially when you are turning right after the slope, identify the correct lane before turning, or you might turn into the oncoming lane. S and crank course, positioning of the car. While inside the course, maintain slow speed control, look at your sighting points, and adjust the wheel accordingly. There is no time limit for these courses. But that doesn't mean you take your time to finish the course. Do not forget to stop at the stop line if there is, before you exit. Key factors for the directional change. The positioning of the car, inside the course. Tilt the right mirror down, and look at the turning point. Reverse the car slowly, and turn the steering wheel fast and full lock. Before turning left from the lot, remember to check your car positioning. Emergency brake, or e-brake. Be prepared to do the e-brake, while driving on a straight road, in the circuit. Be prepared to do the e-brake, on these red lines. Especially before and after completion of all courses, tester like to do the e-brake, before going to the road. Key factors to a good right turn, is to know the traffic rules well. Once you have decided to turn right, look at the lane you are turning to. Do not still look at the oncoming vehicles, while your car is in the middle of the cross junction. Making U-turn at junction. The key factor is, maintain constant speed while you're turning. Only accelerate, or pick up speed, when the steering wheel is straightened.
Hi, this is the end of the video and I hope it will help you to pass your test.